the challenges of accessing legal aid in Liberia has been a perennial problem that has faced the Rule of Law project in Liberia over the past time. Basically, the issue about access to legal aid is first a major problem in Liberia. Not many persons understand what is legal aid. Not many persons know where to access legal aid. The information as to the availability of legal aid defender or public defenders, people who should be providing free assistance to criminal defendants specifically, is not available. So many of times there are individuals that are held in pre-trial detention at the Morel Central Prison or other detention centers around the country, not being aware that there is a legal aid process, a legal aid team. The project with ABA in accessing justice specifically as it relates to the current project that ABA and JPC with other partners are engaged in has been moving on gradually, steadily, and they have achieved tremendous results. Currently, the ABA and JPC pre-trial detention project, as per the record, has released well over 600 persons since October of last year. And I think this project could even score better success if it is restructured, reorganized to allow everybody to fully understand what constitutes legal aid, their rights under the laws. And by so doing, I believe the ABA and its partners, including the JPC, could spread this project throughout Liberia and go beyond Monserrato County. Currently, the project is principally based in Monserrato County, and we cater to the six or more magisterial courts in and around Monserrato County. We provide free legal services to those people. However, there have been some challenges, specifically as it relates to the timeliness of the appearance of the clerks, the court officials, and the problem of record keeping. Record keeping has been one of the most basic challenges that this project has faced, but I believe over a period of time that could be improved with more training and capacity building in the process or in the area of record keeping and court administration. The challenges that the justice system faces as Liberia emerges from the recent conflict are so many. Firstly, the justice system involves the police, the courts, and the correction center. If any one of these sectors or components of the justice system fails to function properly, it will cause a problem. It will spill over to the rest of the other sectors. Firstly, the police in Liberia still need to learn how to arrest and properly charge the suspect, because a police failure to charge properly could lead to several things. It will lead to somebody being wrongly charged by the court and committed to prison. And secondly, if the person is brought to court, the prosecution will find it difficult to have evidence to have that person convicted. Secondly, the jury system, specifically as it relates to the selection of jury, is a problem in Liberia, because the rules or the laws as it stands, anybody out of high school can be a jury. And once that person is selected to be a jury, their vote counts. And anybody could go and say, look, a jury, I want to be a jury, he could be susceptible to bribe because he don't understand. Secondly, there are still other challenges that beset the justice system, that is the unavailability of lawyers working outside Monrovia. Lawyers are mainly concentrated in Monrovia and other urban areas where you have big concessions, but you would hardly find lawyers in the hinterland, and many of times cases remain in courts on the docket for months. Just a year ago, public defenders have been spread throughout the country, but these public defenders are restricted to only defend criminal cases in more instances. So in many of the places outside Monrovia, you hardly have lawyers operating. Though things are improving, but there are tremendous challenges facing the judiciary, facing the justice sector, facing the correction sector. There are no rehabilitation programs going on in the correction center. It's only a place for confinement.